Going to discuss about the connected bodies. Yeah. In connected bodies, how the motion is. Suppose connected bodies are moving in particular direction, then what is its acceleration and what is its tension? We need to find that. Okay, on horizontal surface, take one horizontal surface. This is the horizontal surface. On this, two blocks is there. One more block. Its mass is m1 and its mass is m2. These two masses are connected with massless string. It is connected with massless string. So there is a tension between the two masses. Take as T. Tension T. This is the block A, block B. Suppose the force is working in this direction, then what is the acceleration? What is A, acceleration, and what is the tension? What is tension between the two blocks? Based on this concept, number of problems is there. We need to solve easily. If you understand this concept, problems are very easy. Look at this. First, we need to find the FBD, free body diagrams of M1, free body diagram of M2, free body diagram of M1. First, we can write as free body diagram of block A, free body diagram of block A. We need to take the M1 as a point mass. This is the point mass M1. Look at this. In this, two forces are acting. One is the applied force F and tension between the two masses. This is also a force, nothing but force. So, two forces are acting, which is tension T1, T, take as T. If the string is changed, tension is changed. That's why take single string is there. That's why it's a tension T. If one more string is there, T1, T2 we need to take. Yeah. And in this direction, this is the F force, right? Acceleration in the direction of force. So, in the direction of force, acceleration is there. Based on this, we need to write the equation, FBD equation. Look at this. It is moving in this direction, forward direction. When we apply the force, the body is moving forward direction. That's why tension is less, tensional force is less comparing to the applied force. That's why F minus T is equal to force. F minus T is equal to force. That force is nothing but M1A. F is equal to MA according to Newton's law. This is M1A. Take as equation number 1. And FBD of block B, free body diagram of B. Free body diagram of block B. Okay, here also we need to take the mass as a point mass. Mention it with the point mass M2. Okay, in this tension is T and acceleration working in this direction. Okay, so here it is no force is acting. The total tension is equal to nothing but a force. So T is equal to, we can write as T is equal to m2a. This is the second equation. Yeah, from 1 and 2 equations we need to find the acceleration and tension. Easy. So this is from 1 and 2 equations. From 1 and 2 equations we will get, what is the first equation? F minus T is equal to m1a and T is equal to m2a. F minus T is equal to m1a, T is equal to m2a. This is the negative value, this is the positive value, then these two are cancelled. Okay, so what we have? F is equal to m1a plus m2a, m1a plus m2a, a is the common. So we can get m1 plus m2 into a. F is equal to m1 plus m2 into a. From this, acceleration A is F by m1 plus m2. This is the acceleration of the body, acceleration of this system. A is equal to F by m1 plus m2. Simple. F is equal to ma. A is equal to F by m. Like that. A is equal to F by m1 plus m2. When two bodies are connected and it is in motion, okay, then the acceleration is F is equal to m1 plus m2. Similarly, we want the tension, T value. Look at the second equation. T is equal to m2a from second equation. From equation 2. From equation 2, T is equal to m2a. T is equal to m2a. In the place of a, substitute this value, then we will get the tension value. T is equal to m2 F by m1 plus m2. This is the tension. T is equal to m2 F by m1 plus m2. Simple. So here it is, acceleration is there as well as tension is there. This is the method. If in case the force direction will be changed, force is applying from this side, then A value and T value are same or not? Yeah. A value is same, acceleration is same, F is equal to m1 plus m2, but tension value will be changed. Depend on direction, the tension will be changed in the string. Okay, we need to find that also, no problem. Here in this case, take as m1 is equal to 10 kgs and m2 is equal to 5 kgs. Okay, applied force F is equal to 15 newtons. Applied force F is equal to 50 newtons. Then what is the acceleration and what is the tension? If you know these concepts, then directly substitute in these equations, you will get the result directly. Otherwise, you need to think once again. See that here it is, A is equal to F by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2, right? A is equal to, what is the F value? 15 newtons, and m1 is equal to 10 kgs, m2 is equal to 5 kgs. A is equal to 15 by 15. A is equal to 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square. All values in SI system. So acceleration A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Similarly, tension formula, what we have? T is equal to m2F by m1 plus m2. So T is equal to m2 is the 5 and F is the 15 divided by 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5 is equal to what can we get? 5 into 15 by 15. 15 ones are 15 ones are. So therefore tension T is equal to 5 newtons. T is equal to 5 newtons. This is the concept as well as problem. Based on this, we will find the, suppose 3 blocks are there, 3 blocks are there, then tension T1, tension T2 also we need to find. This is the method. Okay, next. Now we need to take that three connected bodies and T1, T2 tensions and also acceleration, and the model problem also we will do. On horizontal surface, this is the horizontal surface, 3 blocks is there which are connected with the massless strings. This is the horizontal surface. On this 3 blocks is there, block 1, block 2, block 3. Okay, these 3 blocks are connected with the strings, massless string. It's a massless string. This is also a massless string. Okay, it is moving in this direction. Force is applying in this direction, that's why moving in the forward direction. So tension between the 2 strings, this is T1, this is T2, otherwise mention as T1, this is T2, because M1 take as M1, M2, M3 masses, otherwise A, B, C blocks, A, B, C 3 blocks is there and the masses are M1, M2, M3. Tension between the M1, M2 is T1, tension between the M2, M3 is T2. Then what is the tension T1 and T2? What is the acceleration A? We want that. Simple concept, same method. Yeah, for this we need to find the FBD of M1. FBD, free body diagram, FBD of A. Okay, here it is, M1 take as the point mass, mention with the point mass, M1. On this, a force is working in this direction and tension is there, like this, tension. Okay, here it is tension T. It is moving forward direction, that's why applied force is more, tension is less, and this is the acceleration direction. So what can we write? F minus T1 is equal to M1A. This is equation number 1 of FBD of M1, FBD of A block. FBD of B block, similarly write the FBD of B block. FBD of B block, take as point mass M2. On this T2 tension is working and T1 tension also working, but acceleration is in the direction of T2. Okay, so how to write the equation? This is more, this is less. T2 minus T1 is equal to M2A. T2 minus T1 is equal to M2A. Here it is, T2 minus T1 is equal to M2A. Take as equation number 2. This is the second equation. Okay, next FBD of M3. FBD of M3, otherwise FBD of C black, free body diagram of C black. Okay, so here it is, take as M3 as a point mass, M3. On this only tension is working, T2 tension is working this direction, right? Acceleration is this direction. There is no force acting here, it is. Okay, so what can we write here? T2 is equal to M3A just. This is the third equation. Okay, from 1, 2, 3 equations we need to get the acceleration easily. Okay, from 1, 2, 3 equations. See that 1, 2, 3 equations. First equation is F1 minus from 1, 2 and 3 equations. What we have? F minus T1 is equal to M1A, and second equation is T2 minus T1 is equal to M2A. T2 minus T1 is equal to M2A, and third equation T2 is equal to M3A. T2 minus T1 this is, and T2 here it is, T2 minus T1 is equal to M3A. T2 is equal to here some mistaken, M2, here this is T1 and here it is T2. T2 minus T1 is equal to M2A. T2 is equal to T2 is equal to M3A. Yes, this is T2 minus T1, T1 minus T2, T2 minus T1 gets cancelled. Then we will get F is equal to M1A plus M2A plus M3A. So F is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into A. Therefore, A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the acceleration. Here it is. The block is moving in the forward direction. That's why T1 is more, T2 is less. So we can take as T1 minus T2. Here it is, T1 minus T2 is equal to M2A, and FBD of C, T2 is equal to M3A. So we can write as T1 minus T2 is equal to M2A. This is T2. T2 gets cancelled. T1 T2 gets cancelled. Then F is equal to M1A plus M2A plus M3A. A is the common. F is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into A. Therefore, A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system when it is moving in the forward direction, when we apply the force F, okay, with some velocity. Okay, next we want the T1 T2 values between the blocks. T1 T2 values between the two blocks. This is T1 T2 values. From 1 to 3 equations we are easily getting. T2 is equal to, see this, T2 is equal to M3A. Just substitute the A value in the third equation, then you will get the T2 value directly. Okay, from second equation and fourth equation, take as this is the fourth equation. Okay, from 3 and fourth equations, from third and fourth equations, what we have? Third equation is T2 is equal to M3A. T2 is equal to M3A, and A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Substitute this value in the place of A. Therefore, T2 is equal to M3F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the tension T2. Finally, we want the T1, tension T1. From which equation? We have two equations is there, T1 minus T2 is equal to F2A, M2A, and also F minus T1 is equal to M1A. Second equation is the best, substitute the T2 value here, then you will get directly answer. T1 from second equation. From second and fourth equations. Second and fourth equations. See that, what is the second one? T1 minus T2 is equal to T1 minus T2 is equal to M2A. M2A. Here we know what is T2 and also we know what is A value. Just substitute the two values. If you want to give a number for this equation 5, from 2, 4 and 5 equations. If you want you can, otherwise directly you will substitute. Okay, T1 minus T2 is equal to M2A. T1 is equal to T2 plus M2A. Yeah, here we can write T2 value and A value. T1 is equal to, what is the T2? M3F. M3F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M2A. M2 into A is nothing but F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. In this case, F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 is the common. So, we can take as T1 is equal to M2 plus M3 into F by M2 plus M3. M2 plus M3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the answer. T1. Yeah, we have T1 is there, T2 is there, as well as acceleration also there. From this concept, we need to find the, we need to do the problems also. Suppose M1 is equal to 1 kg, M2 is equal to 8 kgs, M3 is equal to 27 kgs is there. Then applied force is 36 newtons is there. So what is the acceleration? What is the T1, T2 tensions? Yeah, here it is. Applied force 36 newtons and M1 is equal to 1 kg, M2 is equal to 8 kgs, M3 is equal to 27 kgs, like this. Then what is A? A is equal to what? And T1 is equal to what? T2 is equal to what in this system? Okay. If you have the idea of this, no need to write the total. Just take the equations. What is the A value? A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 and T2 is equal to this value is there. T1 is equal to this is there. Just substitute the values in these equations, then you will get the result directly. Here it is. Yeah. See that first A, we want the A value. A is equal to what we have? F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 is there. A is equal to, F is nothing but 36 newtons. 36. F is equal to 36. M1 is 1 kg. M2 is 8 kgs. And M3 is 27 kgs. Right? So A is equal to 36 by 9 plus 27, 36. A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Acceleration of the system is 1 meter per second square. Next we want the T1 and T2 values. T1, T2 values. For that, yeah, see that T2 is equal to what we have? T2 is equal to M3F. by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Just to substitute the values of m2 f and m1 m2 m3 values in this equation. What is m3? 27 into 36 by 1 plus 8 plus 27. This is T2 is equal to 27 into 36 by 36 gets cancelled. Therefore, T2 is equal to 27 newtons. T2 is equal to 27 newtons. Similarly, we want the T1. T1 is equal to m2 plus m3f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, here we can do that. Last one. First write the equation. T1 is equal to m2 plus m3. m2 plus m3 into f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Right? Yeah. From this, just substitute the values. T1 is equal to m2 plus m3 by m2 plus m3 into f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Substitute the all values. Then what is m2? m2 is 8 kgs. m3 is 27 kgs into f is 36 newtons divided by 1 plus 8 plus 27. Yeah, here it is. T1 is equal to, this is 35 into 36 by 36. 36 gets cancelled. Then T1 is equal to 35 newtons. This is the T1. Yeah, so from this system we are finding the tensions between the blocks as well as acceleration of the system. Yeah, look at this. If the direction is changed, then the T2 T1 values will be changed, but A value is constant. Yeah, we are getting the A value is same. If applied force is from this direction, then T1 value, T2 value will be changed. Don't take the for all directions same equations. Okay, we have these two equations will be changed, right? And simple. If the body is moving in the horizontal direction, if the system is moving in horizontal direction, then what is the acceleration? What is the tensions? Simple question, easily we can do, right? Yes.